How to extract only numbers from the text. Sometimes we have data along with some text values, but we want to remove text from numbers. In this video we will learn that how to remove text from the data and number values. In description I have written this formula. Same formula you can copy and paste for this purpose. This formula is very lengthy, can be very difficult and boring to understand easily. So same formula you can copy from the description and can use. In this video I will guide you that how to use this formula if you want to remove text from the numbers. Suppose I have data like this, and I want to remove text from numbers. As column E is showing some values along with text and numbers, I want to get number in next column, so I will copy this formula from the description and will paste this in column F. But before pasting this formula I have to write equal sign then paste the data. One thing more you will see here in this formula, that this formula is showing cell reference number of column C9, but our target cell is E5. So after pasting the formula, press Ctrl H, and we'll get Find option. In the Find option write C9 and in Replace option, mention the target cell reference. Here as in my data target cell is E5, so in Replace option I will write here E5, and then we'll press Replace All. Now you can see, in my formula cell reference has changed from C9 to E5. Now our formula has completed. After completion of this formula, one thing more we have to do. Go inside the formula cell, then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now you will find out the results. Now drag down this formula down to other cells. One thing, make sure, while pressing Ctrl Shift Enter, that your cursor is inside the formula cell. Then press these buttons. So now our formula has fully completed. We have desired results. Let's try again at how we have applied this formula. I have one more video on same topic. In that video I have used different technique. I have given the link in the description of that video. You can see that also. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please thumbs up, share this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.